Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to Jay's Journal. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this here makeup look. Very on trend for fall and autumn. And I just wanted something really nice, clean and matte. The glow that you see on my skin is from You Miss from Fenty. The face is sitting. So if you guys want to see how we did this, then please continue to watch. Why does it look so dark still? You guys, so my hair is curled. I may have to tweak a couple things, hold it up right now. You guys will see at the end, I'm going to brush it out and everything, but let's go ahead and jump straight into the makeup. I think I'm actually going to go in with this e.l.f. matte Power Grip primer. I told you guys that I received previously and I wasn't as fond of, but then I used it one day and I'm like, I think I need to test it with different foundations. I think that's really one of the major things. So I'm just going to apply this, and I have to leave my house in an hour for dinner reservations. So hey, we love a good time crunch. And I started my cycle this morning, went hiking. I've been up since 4. So now I think I'm gonna skip the color correcting portion just because I don't think I need to do that. 2 of my Estee Lauder foundations in here. Let's see if this matches me, because this was before my tan and summer color came in. So let's see, hopefully this matches me good, y'all. I don't got time to be looking ghostly. Let's just go ahead and quickly blend this in.
The little stick that you move it around with it.
So we are really close right here. Hold on. So now that the foundation is on, I'm going to go in with 2 of my Milani concealers and apply those under the eye. The color's actually not super bad, but we got to go in with the bronzer to really balance this out. I think I'll do some liquid liner today as well. But this is my go-to base. Some Estee Lauder foundation, Milani concealers. You want a nice flawless base, honey, and you want it to last, and you want it to be matte. I got you. Just follow these steps. I got you, boo. My mouth. Again, I like to put it around my mouth, again, because I have smile lines, and also because it really helps for your lip color to pop way better. Take me through that. Put a little bit on here because we're going to put on liner. I definitely am putting on liner today. And then I'm going to take the lighter shade and put some right there. That's it. We don't like to do too much with the lighter shade because that stuff will have you looking ghostly. I have a clean one. I think this is out of a Macy Beauty. So I'm just gonna blend.
I feel that. I like to collect them. Lights up is like chill at home, or no, as a guy. Why would you not come to a spot as often as you can? Like, you've been to a spot. We never got to slide to a spot, and I ain't gonna lie. Like, come out to Vegas, like, I ain't gonna lie. Come on now, what are we talking about? It's gonna be like first hangout. Seem like a vibe. You like to eat? She in a car. She laughing too much. She ain't even like to look around for it. What's your passions in? Or passion? Or what are you passionate about? Actually, big lips.
Okay, now that the concealer is blended in, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. liquid bronzer. There was a point in time where I couldn't wear this after I bought it because I had got so tan real quick and it just blended right into my skin. I was like, I just bought this a day ago, and then I went and laid in the sun. Then it was like, dang, I know this normally match me when I'm like normal color, you know what I'm saying? But that thing said, that one tan I got though, ooh, this summer, you gotta keep going to maintain your color. But looks so good. But this bronzer is like so pretty, and it has like specks of glitter in it, I want to say, like, to make it more radiant. It's so pretty. And then I'm also going to layer this with the e.l.f. liquid blush. Okay, now I'm gonna blend out the harsh edges because it brought it down kind of low. We don't want any harsh lines. That looks really good. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. liquid blush and coming in hot pink. I love this color. This is like one of my main go-to when it comes to liquid blushes, and I have quite a few, especially from e.l.f. Real Techniques foundation brush and blending this in. And I like to bring my blush across my nose as well and on my chin. And then I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender just to clean up that concealer again and blend it in before I set it with my one side powder. And today I think I'm going to do the ultra pink instead of the translucent. I normally always use the translucent. It's my baby, it's my go-to. But the pink, it's really eating recently. So I'm gonna quickly do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I've taken the One Size pink powder and set my under eyes. Like, I already feel snatched. We haven't even done the rest. I'm going to set everywhere I applied concealer, down the bridge of my nose, and on my eyelids, and I'll be right back. Oh, I'm going to do my brows off camera. If you guys want to see how I do them, I have a couple of videos on that, so go check out the channel and watch the playlist. Okay, now that I've set all of the face, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty powder, and this is in 370. This is my normal color, and I'm just going to dust that along the lower parts of my face. I already did this step, but I'm just doing it again so you guys can see. I was just using this fluffy brush from Shop Miss A. And then now I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place Tan Bronze Palette, or Bronze Duo. And I'm using this very small Japonesque brush. And I'm just going into the bottom and top color. And I'm going to lightly contour the sides of my nose to really bring in that definition. Now I'm going to go in with this. This is a Morphe M575 brush, and I'm going in with those same two colors, and I'm just going to work that in windshield wiper motions in the crease. Okay, I think that's good, like that. And then I think I'm going to just kind of over top my blush. Normally I do my Juvia's Place 5 Duo. But I think I'm going to go in with this palette from Juvia's Place instead. And it's the Saharan, it's a Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. And this palette is really gorgeous. This color right here I'm going to layer on top. It's clearly extremely loved. And I'm really sad because I don't know if they still have this. But I wish they just sold that color by itself. So I'm just applying that over top where the blush is. And then just like this. Okay, that's good with just the blush. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and apply my brows and winged eyeliner off camera so I can like do the winged eyeliner. So let me do that. I will show you the products I'm using for my brows and my winged eyeliner. So for the brows, I'm using this Slim Brow Pencil from Shop Miss A, and this is in the color Ebony. It's very fine and thin, which I love. For my liner, I'm either going to use this Shop Miss A liquid liner that's super matte, or I'm going to use this little Makeup Forever liner that I have. But I'll be back. Okay, the liquid eyeliner is on and the brows are on. And I actually just decided to use the Shop Miss A liner. I personally love it. I don't like the like necessarily. It's not that I hate the brush, but I want something stiff and thin or like a little shorter just so I feel like I have a bit more control. But it's not that bad. This is the brush tip. And I feel like if you take your time, you can get like a really nice clean line without having to do cleanup. I need to add a little bit more onto my other eye. Hold on. There we go. Oh shit. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my Cheeky Bronze from MAC. And then I'm just going to use a really tiny detail brush. And I'm going to put it right here in the inner tear duct. Okay. Now we have that applied. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and dust the powder away. I'm going to go ahead and dust this powder away from under my eye. It's looking good so far. And I think I just want to bronze up my face a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with my Bronze Goddess from Estee Lauder. This is in the shade 04 Deep. And I absolutely love this bronzer. You guys can't really see, but for brown girls, and it comes with a little brush. I mostly like to use the brush when I'm traveling, but I'm going to use it today. I'm going right under the cheek. You see that? So pretty. And then whatever's left, I'll just do a little bit on the forehead. I don't want to go too crazy with it because it can start getting real bronzy. A little too bronzy. Okay. Everything's applied. I think I want a little bit more color to my blush. So I am going to go in with that Volume 5 blush palette. Juvia's Place. And I'm going to dip into both colors. And I'm going to lightly go in. I love blush. I might got a little blush blindness. I might have just a little bit of blush blindness. I don't know. But I like to have a lot more color. And blush wears off. Like, really does. Now, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I'm going to go in with my Fenty U Mist. I absolutely love this spray. Get my fan ready. Getting the fan ready. And I'm going to cover my hair and spray my face. And you want to like a good amount for sure. And then dry it down. Don't drown the skin too much because you don't want it to like run. A good amount, and then we'll just dry it down. Okay guys, so I also put on my mascara off camera really quickly, and I just used it. I just used the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. That has been a go-to for forever. And so to line my lips, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Chai Latte and Morphe Compatible Soulmate Liner. So firstly, let me sharpen the LA Girl Pro pencil. So I'm just gonna outline my lips. Okay, I like to rub them together. I low-key just feel like I should stop at the brown, but I'm gonna add a little bit of the Soulmate Liner and Compatible and rub it together, just to give it a little bit more of like maroon, purpley, kind of, just a little, not too much. That's why we have the brown down there. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my NYX or NYX Angel Food Cake Lip Gloss. Rub them together and just spread it over. Looks good. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe Drip Glass, and this is in Pink Mirror. This is such a pretty color, you guys. And I'm applying that on top. This adds a little bit more sheen. And I'm just layering this on top of everything. Okay. I'm gonna brush my hair out, and I'll come right back. Okay, guys, this is going to be the final look. I did go ahead and brush out my hair, brush out the curls, and fluff them up. Different for me. Bring this neck down some. Oh my god. But yeah, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please comment down below what you want to see in the next one. And be sure to subscribe and thumbs the video up so I know you guys like this kind of content. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.